Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix Instagram account was suspended. Instagram accounts that have been temporarily suspended cannot share content on the platform. Remember that during this time, you run the danger of your followers becoming disinterested and possibly unfollowing you. So it's better to prevent it, even if it's only going to be temporary. Instagram accounts are typically disabled because their owner has not complied with the community guidelines. To keep all users safe, Instagram has a thorough set of community guidelines that every Instagram user should follow. To fix this issue, you have to go to Google web browser and type Instagram account suspended. So the first one says disable Instagram account. The second one says my Instagram account was deactivated. You can click the second one. So when you click this, you can see here account deactivated and how they will retrieve or how they recover their Instagram account. So I think they have the same way on how to recover or fix suspended account. So for contact information, you have to type your name and surname, also your email address, content at issue, you can type it here, and then explain why you believe the content should not have been removed or your account should not have been suspended. And after that, you can attach any pictures here as proof that you didn't violate any community rules on Instagram. Then once done, you can click send and wait for the customer service team to take any action or help you with this matter and will help you to unsuspend your account. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.